Listen to me. Today we are making the absolute king of Greek comfort food, the legendary Pastitsio. It is a magnificent, layered masterpiece of spiced beef, tubular pasta, and a velvety, rich bechamel sauce that will literally blow your mind. Forget dry lasagnas. This is pure, unadulterated Greek heaven on a plate. For this absolute beauty, you need top-quality ground beef, thick hollow Bucatini pasta, sweet red onions, fresh garlic, sweet cinnamon, aromatic cloves, a splash of dry red wine, and for that gorgeous, silky bechamel, we need fresh whole milk, rich butter, flour, and sharp Kefalotyri cheese. Don't skimp on the cheese. It's crucial. First, we prep. Grab a sharp knife and finely dice those sweet red onions and smash that garlic. We want them incredibly fine so they melt beautifully into the meat sauce. Do not rush this. Speed is nothing without absolute precision. So keep your fingers tucked in and chop like a professional. Get your pan screaming hot. Add a generous splash of extra virgin olive oil. And drop in that beautiful ground beef. You want to hear that intense sizzle immediately. Breaking it down with a wooden spoon so it browns evenly and locks in all those incredible, deep, caramelized juices. Now, toss in the onions, garlic, and that magical cinnamon stick. Letting those aromatics sweat down until they are golden and fragrant. Watch the colors transform into a rich, deep brown, and deglaze that pan with your red wine, scraping up every single bit of flavor from the bottom. While the meat simmers with crushed tomatoes, we craft the ultimate bechamel. Melt your butter. Whisk in the flour to form a smooth roux. Then gradually pour in warm milk, whisking constantly until it is thick, luxurious, and coats the back of your spoon. Before stirring in freshly grated nutmeg, layer the cooked pasta mixed with egg whites. Top it with that rich, fragrant meat sauce, and pour over that velvety bechamel, smoothing it right to the edges. Bake it until it is bubbly and golden brown. Then let it rest before cutting it into perfect, beautiful, towering squares. Look at that, absolute perfection, with those stunning, defined layers, a beautifully caramelized top, and an aroma of sweet cinnamon and rich cheese that is simply mind-blowing. Take a bite of this Greek classic. And if you want to master more incredible dishes, make sure to subscribe right now.